Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter Ain. We will practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words that start with Ain. In our last video, we covered the letter Zoi. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. Today's lesson is the letter Ain. We can say this one is a new category. Ain and Ghain is from, like this, how the same symbols. If we give one dot upper, it's changed to Ghain, and without dot is Ain. Ain, how the A sound in English, Ah. You know, initial style is this one, middle part is coming like this, final joint is this one, final joint is this one. And is also from the category that is coming at the beginning of words, middle of words, and end of words. When it comes at the beginning or middle, the style is completely changing. Complete style is this one, beginner is this, initial style is this one, and middle part is completely changed like to this, and final joint is this one, and final joint is this one. And in a word like, for example, we have ilm. Ilm. Ilm means knowledge. علم يولويش تماني ده علم يولويا شتماني ده Knowledge is a great wealth. علم means knowledge. Yava ah. Look this yava and the previous lessons. If you look, we say like yaw. Uh, because of the feminine noun, like shtamani is a feminine noun. By this reason, we must say yawa and loya. This two is like feminine. That is also feminine. By this reason, like yaw change to yawa, loy change to loya, and they change to da. علم yawa loya shtamani. The علم knowledge is a great wealth. علم knowledge yawa a loya great shtamani wealth. Da is a feminine. علم يولويش تمانيدا. Knowledge is a great wealth. زدكونكي باید علم زدکری. زدكونكي باید علم زدکری. Students should learn knowledge. زدكونكي students باید should علم knowledge زدکری learn. زدكونكي باید علم زدکری. Students should learn knowledge. هغه د علم سره مینه لري. هغه د علم سره مینه لري. He loves knowledge. هغه means he د علم سره with knowledge. مینه loves. لري like has. هغه د علم سره مینه لري. He loves knowledge. ساعت like I know at the beginning, made it. Saat means watch or hour. Like it coming in two cases, like it means like saat, like watch. That we like using in hand, and also you say like hour. Both of them mean. زي ساعات لرم. The يو ساعات لرم. It means I have a watch. I means I have a watch. Like I'm using in my hand. The means I, you, a, ساعت watch لرم have. The you ساعت لرم I have a watch. زما ساعت خراب شوی. زما ساعت خراب شوی. It means my watch is broken. زما means my, ساعت watch, خراب broken. شوی like is. The action is done, completed. زما ساعت خراب شوی. My watch is broken. We can say my watch is damaged, like it's not working. Broken we can, broken in Pashto we use مات. زما ساعت مات شوی, like when broke by two parts, like some part of the our watch is broke. Then we say mat. Kharab means damage. That is not working, like the cover everything is good. Make but not working. We can say kharab. Yeah. زه هره ورځ په 7 بجو پاڅیږم. زه هره ورځ په 7 بجو پاڅیږم. I wake up every day at 7 o'clock. زه means I. هره ورځ every day. هره means every. ورځ day. هره ورځ is a compound word. It will become every day. په 7 بجو. At. په means at. 7 بجو o'clock. پاڅیږم wake up. زه هره ورځ په 7 بجو پاڅیږم. I wake up every day at 7 o'clock. Another word that عين is like coming on it like at the middle. معلم. معلم. معلم means teacher. زما معلم ډېر مهربان دی. زما معلم ډېر مهربان دی. My teacher is very kind. زما means my. معلم teacher. ډېر very. مهربان kind. دی is. زما معلم ډېر مهربان دی. My teacher is very kind. ما له معلم نه یوه پوښتنه وکړه. ما له معلم نه یوه پوښتنه وکړه. I asked the teacher a question. ما means I. له معلم نه the teacher. یوه پوښتنه a question. یوه پوښتنه question وکړه like asked. ما له معلم نه یوه پوښتنه وکړه. I asked the teacher a question. مونږ خپل معلم ته درناوی کوو. مونږ خپل معلم ته درناوی کوو. It means we respect our teacher. مونږ we. خپل معلم our teacher. درناوی respect کوو like do. مونږ خپل معلم ته درناوی کوو. We respect our teacher. Yeah. Now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. علم. علم knowledge. علم یوه لویه شتمني ده. علم یوه لویه شتمني ده. Knowledge is a great field. زده کوونکي باید علم زده کړي. زده کوونکي باید علم زده کړي. Students should learn knowledge. هغه د علم سره مینه لري. هغه د علم سره مینه لري. He loves knowledge. ساعت. ساعت. Watch whatever. زه یو ساعت لرم. زه یو ساعت لرم. I have a watch. زما ساعت خراب شوی. زما ساعت خراب شوی. My watch is broken. زه هره ورځ په 7 بجو پاڅیږم. زه هره ورځ په 7 بجو پاڅیږم. I wake up every day at 7 o'clock. معلم. معلم teacher. زما معلم ډېر مهربان دی. زما معلم ډېر مهربان دی. My teacher is very kind. ما له معلم نه یوه پوښتنه وکړه. ما له معلم نه یوه پوښتنه وکړه. I asked the teacher a question. مونږ خپل معلم ته درناوی کوو. مونږ خپل معلم ته درناوی کوو. We respect our teacher. If you would like to learn Pashto Dari online, feel free to contact me. I'll dot hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like Itacan Preply. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.